And here we are at the Walkaround of the Automate booth. One of the machines that they have set up is the new FTL 400 with the manual controls here, which also has a teach mode on the Simmons controller. Here's an overview of the whole booth. We have one machine over here set up with a bar feeder. Awesome looking little bar feeder. And check this out. Lights out machining under 50,000. That's tied with a SL6 lathe, which is one of their slant lathes. Got a live tool option in there, as well as the 8-position turret and a park catcher. Look at this, our awesome little park catcher. Then we go over here and we'll get an overview of the whole booth. And here we've got the LTS 5, which is a little slant lathe with an 8-position tool holder and a small gang plate. This one's got the Simmons controller on it. You can also now get most of their products with a GSK CNC control on it, which is basically a Fanuc clone. Then they've got a slightly new version of the FTL 300-2, and this one actually has a Y adjustment on it with the for the live tooling. A little hard to see. I'm trying to get a better shot of it here, but you can see this big column at the back here. That allows the Y, or the live tooling, to move up and down. And it looks to me like they got about 4 spindles, one on Z, two on Z, and two on X as well. They've got the turret on this one towards the front, which is a little different from mine, which has a turret near the back and a gang tool plate at the front. This one's also running the Simmons control. And over here, we've got a new one from them. And this one is, I'm not even sure the model number of this one, but it's a machine with a live tooling turret on it. It's a slant machine, and it's actually got live tool capabilities right on the turret. It's got a tailstock as well. Again, running the Simmons control. Big machine. But look at that baby. And then over here we got their VMC 425. We've all seen this one on the website. Really nice mill. Does an absolutely beautiful job on parts. Here's one of the parts that they've been running at the show. Look at that. Nice finish. You run your hand across the machining marks, you can't feel a ridge or anything. They got it set up with their tool changer. I believe it's a 12-position tool changer. This one it has a pretty hefty spindle on it too. I believe it's a 10-horse spindle. Could be wrong, I don't quite remember. But look at that machine. And that's a walk around of their booth this year. Get a little bit of overhead view here. They're in the south building this year. Nice large booth. And there's a walk around. Hi, Joe.